Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and good and doing good with your studies also. I am Meeta Singh, your science teacher, welcome you in the today's video of science, that is chapter 6, changes around us. What we are going to read today? Changes around us. If we try to see in our daily life, we can see the many changes in our daily life, like your mother buy the raw vegetable from the vegetable man, and when she cooked it, then you get the cooked food. So raw vegetables convert changes into cooked food. Many changes are there. You can get the ice from the water easily, right? So these type of changes you can see in your daily life. Now the question is, why change occur? चेंज क्यों होता है? कैसे पानी से आइस बन जाती है, कैसे वाटर से स्टीम बन जाती है, एंड वाई द चेंज अकर. These all the points we are going to read in this chapter, changes around us. Then we will read about the types of changes also. Types of changes, reversible and irreversible. We are going to read reversible and irreversible. As the name suggests, reversible means in that condition we are able to reverse the thing in the previous condition. हम उस चीज़ को वापस पहले वाली कंडीशन में ले जा सकते हैं. Like ice and water, we get ice from the water, but when ice melt it becomes water again. So this is reversible change. When we talk about the irreversible change, in that condition we are not able to convert the thing in the previous condition. हम उसको दोबारा से पहले वाली कंडीशन में नहीं ले जा सकते. That is irreversible change. In this video I am going to give you the ample of examples, so you will be clear with the reversible and irreversible changes. After that the topic is physical change and chemical change. We will read in the detail. And you have one more topic, changes due to expansion and contraction. But in this today's video we are going to read the up to reversible and irreversible. इतना ही हम read करेंगे आज के वीडियो में. Rest of the topics we will read in the tomorrow's video. So let's start with the today's video. Many changes take place around us on their own. In the fields, the crops change from time to time. Sometimes leaves fall from trees, change color and dry out. If we see around us, अगर हम अपने आसपास देखते हैं, many changes are there, and on the different bases we can say or we can categorize about the permanent or temporary changes. A change can cause different kinds of effects on things around us. Like some of the effects brought out about permanent in nature cannot be reversed, जिन्हें हम वापस दोबारा change नहीं कर सकते हैं. Like if we talk about the permanent change, leaves fall from trees. अगर एक बार जो leaves trees से अलग होकर गिर गई हैं, सूख कर अलग हो गई हैं, they can't be there again on the trees. There will be new leaves replace those leaves. उनकी जगह पे नई leaves आती हैं, लेकिन वो leaves दोबारा से trees पर नहीं जा सकती. So like this is the permanent change. And when we talk about the temporary change, these effects which we can change again. However, some effects take place in position, state, size or shape of the things. These effects are temporary in nature, can be reversed. Okay. The flowers bloom and then wither away. Our nails grow, our hair grows, we grow taller and our weight increases as we grow. Changes in weather, growth in living things, cooking of food, etc. are some of the common changes we see around us. We easily can see. And when we talk about some beneficial or harmful changes, so like we are cooking food at our home. So this is beneficial कि हमें raw food से ईटेबल फूड मिल रहा है कि हम कुक करके उसको चेंज कर पा रहे हैं. बट इफ़ योर फूड इज़ स्पॉइलिंग, अगर आपका फूड ख़राब हो रहा है तो ये हमारे लिए कैसा चेंज है? हार्मफुल चेंज है. सो दीज आर वेरी ईजी एंड सिंपल टर्म्स दैट परमानेंट जो दोबारा रिवर्स नहीं होता, टेम्प्रेरी दैट कैन बी रिवर्स्ड, बेनिफिशियल जो हमारे लिए हमें बेनिफिट देता है कुछ ऐसा चेंज, और हार्मफुल जो हमारे लिए नुकसानदायक है. आफ्टर दैट वी विल talk about the causes of change. Simply, when we will talk about the change, the transformation of one thing into another is called change. जब एक चीज़ दूसरे में चेंज ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाती है, उसका जो फॉर्मेशन है वो चेंज हो जाता है, that is called change. Like if we talk that change in color, a raw mango is green in color but changes to yellow on ripening. We can see that we eat kacha mango, like we call that keri, and after some time we eat as fruit yellow mango, ripening mango. So this is the transformation of a mango from raw to ripen state or raw to ripen form. Then change in physical state. If a container filled with water is kept in freezer, there will be change in its physical state. अगर हम पानी को फ्रीज़र में रखते हैं then we get ice. तो वो पानी किस में चेंज होता है? वाटर चेंज इन इट्स फिजिकल स्टेट एंड वी गेट आइस. चेंज इन हार्डनेस. बैटर ऑफ द केक इज सॉफ्ट बट इट बिकम्स हार्ड व्हेन इट इज़ बेक्ड. आप देखते हो ना, जो बैटर बनाते हैं, जो मिक्स बनाते हैं हम केक का, वो कैसा होता है? ऑलमोस्ट सॉलिड और लिक्विड के बीच का होता है, ना पूरा सॉलिड ना लिक्विड. बट व्हेन वी बेक्ड इट बिकम्स हार्ड. वो हमारे पास प्रॉपर सॉलिड फॉर्म में केक बन जाता है. Change in size, nails of our finger. Change in shape, bud opens out into a flower, तो उनका shape change हो जाता है. Change in position, hands of a clock change their position. आप देखते हो घड़ी चलती है और उसकी दोनों जो हैंड्स हैं वो अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज करते हैं. सो वी सी दैट मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ चेंजेस आर अराउंड अस. हम अपने आसपास अपनी डेली लाइफ में जब देखते हैं तो बहुत सारे चेंजेस हमें नज़र आते हैं, और अलग अलग तरह के, जिस तरह से अभी हमने बात की कि चेंजेस इन शेप, चेंजेस इन साइज, चेंजेस इन पोजीशन. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स ऑफ चेंजेस. देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ कॉज which brings about a change in a thing. For example, ice does not melt on its own to form water. Ice must be given heat to melt and change into water. Therefore, heat is the cause of the change of the state of ice from solid to liquid. So there can be these three causes of change, like heating, cooling, or mixing another substance to one substance. Now we will look out about the types of changes, or we can say different kinds of changes. If we talk about the evaporation, keep petrol in a bowl in the sun, notice how it reduces. किस तरह से ये पूरा evaporate हो जाता है. So this process cause change. When we are talking about the changes around us. So evaporation is also responsible for the change. And the second, next we are watching mixing substances. Changes can occur when we mix the substances. Like we know that water dissolve most of the substances in it, so we can mix the salt or sugar in the water, and this change is irreversible. ये change कैसा है? irreversible है. When we mix some tea leaves, थोड़ा सा चाय की पत्ती को जब हम water में add करते हैं, it becomes dark, and this change is also reversible. Few of changes. Seeds grow into tall trees. We germinate the seeds and it grows into tall trees. Snow melts and flows to the river. हमारे हिल्स की जो स्नो होती है वो मेल्ट होकर नदी का पानी बन जाती है. These all are changes in the nature. Now, when we talk about the reversible change and irreversible change, there are two types of change. First, we are talking about the reversible and irreversible changes. First, we will see about the reversible change. When we add some sand or some soil in the water, we pour the clear water in another container, and we can say that this is reversible change, that we mix it. When we heat some chocolate and melt it, then after cooling we can again get the solid chocolate in the container. So these both the changes are reversible. हमने क्या देखा, वो वापस से change हो रहा है. When we talk about the irreversible change, if we have egg, you can see in the video, and man is beating the egg and we can use it for omelette. Is it possible that you can again reverse the omelette into a solid egg? No. Can we now get the original egg back? No. If we cut an apple, अगर हम एक एप्पल को 4 pieces में कट करते हैं, is it possible can we get the whole apple back again? No, because these are irreversible changes. ये सारे changes कैसे हैं? Irreversible changes हैं. If we talk commonly, or we can say comparatively, reversible change and irreversible change. So first talk about the reversible change. These can be reversed. उन्हें दोबारा से वापस उसी फॉर्म में लाया जा सकता है. दे आर टेम्परेरी, वेरी स्लो इन नेचर. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द इरिवर्सिबल चेंज, दे कैन नेवर बी रिवर्स्ड. दे आर परमानेंट, दे आर फास्ट, एंड न्यू सब्सटेंसेस आर फॉर्म्ड. एंड द कॉमन थिंग्स अबाउट द चेंजेस, बोथ ब्रिंग चेंज इन स्टेट. मतलब जो हमारे सब्सटेंस का स्टेट है वो दोनों चेंजेस में चेंज होता है. बोथ अकर ड्यू टू सम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स और एनर्जी. कैन बी फिजिकल और केमिकल. दोनों चेंजेस जो हैं वो फिजिकल और केमिकल हो सकते हैं और किसी फोर्स और एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. ओके, सो आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद द पॉइंट्स अबाउट द types of changes, reversible and irreversible, and the first question that was why changes occur. Okay, read the chapter carefully. Definitely you will get clear the points. Now at the end I have one question for you regarding reversible and irreversible changes. The question is, so you have to find out the answer. Definitely if you understood the chapter you will get the answer. You can give your answers in the doubt section. Otherwise I will discuss with the next video. Thank you.